Hey guys, it's a quick morning session after work. I'm about to go to sleep, but I wanted to run number one for a minute because I heard some stuff going on in the other room. So let's see if we can get any voices.
The matter not all there. 50 towels. To hear so do it over. Oh, and I keep feeling mini ride. City con. In the forest. Smart watch, but take you a little run. Fast forward. American Premier Point is man left. Metric. You hide out. Perfect. Mouth. On baby. Need to cut. Austin. Great. Not wrong. Richard was slash. All going. These. Indeed. It's all. It's in Jake. Listen. Women. It's called.
Who are you? Who are you? It's me. What's your name? It's me.
You know. I'm not for make to hire anyone. So, you know what I'm gonna do? And select now. We're just so let you 288 don't work with that. You just quality. Notes. It's fine. What do you think? TV show with Haskell is it? I mean, cool. I can't believe you. First, so you want for fun. Virgin first north of 30. Just every. Yes, to 8 p.m. Right. Or it. Description item. Here. Smart to me. Shuttle 870. 40 dash 1. Flipping home. Damn. He's implementing. Rehash. Zero. By Tommy. Take care of
Tommy, is that your name?
He's about what? The show. Request. Fine. Unless to off. Says wait. Take off. An app. To make him the top always right. That hurt. You have it. Tips next.
All right, that's man, I heard a lot of different voices in there. So I would definitely want to go back and listen to that in some headphones and see. I heard a bunch of different voices in there. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. That's number one. I got one more night of work, so I might do one more tomorrow morning. And yeah, hope everybody has a great day. Peace out.